Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Noor, N-O-O-R. Noor, the brand Noor is a subsidiary of the company Sterling Perfume, which they own many brands from United Arab Emirates. One of them is Armaf, which is quite famous, but they have about 20 brands under their name, or maybe even more. So they are a very big company, and this Noor is a subsidiary or another branch of them. And I unboxed and reviewed one of their fragrances before from this brand Noor, and I was very impressed, so I had to go and get more to see if they are any good and report it back to you. So this one in particular called Noor Sapphire Rose Gold. Noor Sapphire Rose Gold. This is Eau de Parfum 100 ml and is tagged unisex, so for men and women. And as always, nice box. Presentation is very nice. It's got a texture to it. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. For you, it's only a small movement of a finger. For me, it means the world. It means you're validating my work, you're encouraging me, you're helping me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell good, and they are hidden gems. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. So this one in United Kingdom, you can find it under £25. Very nice presentation. As always, the Middle Eastern brand, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price you pay for the money. And look at this bottle, is gorgeous. Look at that, gorgeous bottle. Wow, for the price, again, they always surprise me, because don't forget, if you go to European companies, especially big names, for that amount you never ever get presentation bottles, things like that. No way. You pay maybe £100 more to get presentation like this. So that's the one of the attraction of Middle Eastern houses, is that they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Look at that beautiful bottle, gorgeous. The cap is quite heavy, it's got weight to it, and this one is rose gold all over it. Beautiful. Look at this. Very the color is amber color. And here we go, the atomizer. Very good atomizer. It gives lots of juice out. So how is Noor Sapphire, and this is rose gold, Eau de Parfum 100 ml in United Kingdom under £25. And as I said, this is targeted unisex. And here we go, first impression. Ooh, beauty. I'm telling you, these brands, these Middle Eastern houses, amazing. You know, just look at that, straight to the perfume, no harshness, no alcohol, nothing. Ooh, very floral. So this is floral heavy, especially orange blossom. I can get big orange blossom in here. Big citrus. I can smell lemon, I can smell bergamot, definitely, and I can smell something orangey, so probably either orange or mandarin. Beautiful. Very fruity as well, so very heavy floral, very heavy fruits right now. For the first impression, it opens up beautifully. There is some tropical feel to it in terms of fruits. So I'm getting something like a mango, I'm getting coconut feel, I'm getting a little bit of pear feel, I'm getting a little bit of apple. So very fruity and floral at the same time, and also it's very sweet. At the moment, between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 8 to 9, so opened up very sweet. gorgeous, very, very beautiful, amazing. So very sweet, very juicy, very tropical, heavy on the floral, especially white floral right now. I'm getting minimum of orange blossom, maybe jasmine as well. Yeah, little bit of jasmine, but orange blossom is the biggest here. So orange blossom plus little bit of jasmine in the background, little bit of tuberose as well, not much, just a hint of it at the moment. So opened up, superbly gorgeous. So it's very, very heavy on the floral, heavy on the fruits. The fruits are very tropical. I'm getting mango, I'm getting coconut, I'm getting pear, I'm getting apple. I can smell something woody in the backbone, but it's very clean wood. So it's very woody, probably sandalwood or combination of sandalwood and cedar wood right now. Again, is very faint in the background at the moment. Is not coming up. It's just lifting everything up together, making everything rounded and beautiful. And also it's a big vanilla in here, and the vanilla is gorgeous. It's just superbly done, very, very smooth vanilla. Very, it's not overpowering, it's not too much, but it makes everything smooth and rounded, plus even that sweetness, which it lifts everything together and makes them very, very appealing. Little bit of ambery feel to it. The amber at the moment is quite fluffy and light. It's not very deep and dense, but there's noticeable, and also a little bit of musky feel to it overall. It's quite musky. I'm getting a little bit of earthy feel. Maybe there's a patchouli in here as well, giving it that little bit of chocolatey, earthy, nutty feel as well. Overall, what a beauty and what an opening. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll give it 10 out of 10 for this opening. The opening is mesmerizing, beautiful. So to recap again for the first impression, this is opened up, no harshness, no alcohol, straight to the perfume. It's just like extrait de parfum is that good, although it says eau de parfum on it. So it's heavy on the floral, especially white floral. Big orange blossom. After orange blossom is jasmine, and after jasmine is tuberose. So it's very, very heavy on the floral, plus heavy on the tropical fruits. This is for now, for a beginning, for the first impression. Tropical fruit, I'm getting coconut, I'm getting apple, I'm getting pear, I'm getting even a little bit of mango feel to it as well. Beautiful, I'm telling you, for under £25, this smells like £150 easy. Is that good? Okay, let's see what else we can get. Yeah, don't forget that vanilla from the beginning. That vanilla was there, very smooth, very sweet vanilla, very gooey, very inviting, very warm. The amber is very fluffy at the moment. It's not deep and dense, but it's very fluffy, and also it's a bit of muskiness. The woods are very clean, but as I said, at the moment they are in the background. I can't smell them very, very strongly, but there are a hint of them. I'm expecting it to be a combination of cedar and sandalwood to making it very, very smooth, because this is super smooth. It opened up very smooth, very rounded, very, very balanced. Everything is in the right place, nothing too much, nothing too little. Under £25, this is a bargain. Absolutely beautiful. To my nose, is very, very unisex. Yeah, absolute unisex. Anybody can wear it, woman and man. This is 50-50 in the middle. Maybe little, oh, something powdery coming up as well. Maybe leans a little bit feminine, maybe 60% femininity, 40% masculinity. But again, anybody can wear it. It's one of those fragrances that is very, very universal to me. I'm very, very happy to wear this. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. So it's quite unisex. In terms of season, better. I mean, it's one of those all year rounder, because it's got that white floral, fruity, tropical in the beginning. So you can use it even in summer, in heat, in cold, in the cooler weather. Also, the base is quite, gooey and ambery and vanillic and sweet, and very inviting. and very quite warm. So it's one of those you can use it all year round, winter or summer. In cooler weather, less sprays. In warmer weather, more spray. Sorry, in cooler weather, more spray. In warmer weather, less spray. At the moment, it's filling the room. It's very, very strong. So yes, I'll give it for an opening 10 out of 10. Beautiful, especially for a price. As I said, it smells much more expensive than I paid for it. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because that heavy floral making it a little bit on the mature side. But if you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't mean anything. In terms of occasion, this is definitely opulent. This is going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion and things like that. Very, very opulent. Oh, gorgeous, beautiful. Does it remind me of anything? Not right now, nothing. I'm not going to say it's unique. It's one of those smells that you smelled before, at least I smelled before. But it doesn't remind me, I don't think, particular. If it reminds me, I will let you know in the next video. What else? So at the moment it's feeling room, feeling the house, so very, very strong. Presentation, excellent. Look at that, beautiful presentation, gorgeous. I'm telling you, for under £25, this is a bargain, at least for me, for my taste, for my experience. This is definitely Oriental vibe to it, definitely Middle Eastern vibe to it, definitely Eastern style of perfumery. So you need to like these kind of fragrances as well. Okay guys, so for the first impression, yes, I'm loving it. I'll give it 10 out of 10 for that opening. It's gorgeous. So to recap, heavy on the white floral, heavy on the fruits, especially tropical. The base is quite woody and ambery and vanillic and a little bit of muskiness, tiny bit of earthiness. Overall, beautifully done, absolutely beautifully constructed. You can tell the people who done this, they know what they're doing. Okay guys, thank you very much. As always, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make you videos like this in future, to bring you fragrances like this that are absolutely on the radar, nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my fragrances, and this way you support me, and in return get an amazing perfume which is very unique, very artistic, very mesmerizing, very, very mysterious, 100% natural, amazing value for money, and ultra beast mode, and it's come from my country, Iran. Yes, it's called scent Persia because the ingredients come from my country. Nobody else is using it because we produce very little, but we produce the best in the world. And don't forget, Iran, Persia was the first country to produce perfume 5,000 years ago. Yes. Okay guys, thank you very much. As always, see you later. Bye.